What is up, everybody? We are heading to the RV today and we got some stuff planned. So in the last video we introduced it, we showed you guys, did kind of a little short walk around. We got some questions that we're going to be answering. We got a video that we're going to do a full walk around, but we just don't have time for that right now. We are crunched for time on some things that we got to do. One of them being paint. We are painting the cabinets. We are going to start working on getting the cabinets and the walls and everything all prepped up. Plus we got some really cool backsplash for the kitchen. So stay tuned.
You guys, this is why Kenny needs to do some research first or watch people, because he's taking off these mirrors and getting glass everywhere. Just taping it because it'll keep it from freaking going everywhere.
I just had an aneurysm. Let me show you the way you should do this.
I can't reach. And you know what? It's working. Like,
No, it isn't. You're like going all over the place.
yeah, to just keep it. No, you're supposed to do it as a crisscross. Oh, so you're legitimately gonna use all of it. What's that? We are. We'll look at the backsplash in the back of the seat.
Okay, her still threw glass everywhere. Now we're gonna try my way. Very minimal, and that's only because I didn't tape off this section right here.
Doesn't matter. He's still got glass everywhere.
And there's no way, real easy way to do this, guys, because it's
Look.
the mirror glass. Like,
We got glass right here, and we have glass over there.
I'm going with you to vacuum this area, and you left some smudges around here, so
Oh, whatever.
we'll let the audience. Hey, you guys, let us know who's right on this. So make it some fun, man.
Hopefully
make it so
people
we have
like
some
me
fun.
and they side with me.
It's crooked.
Okay. Excuse me for Mr., gotta make this perfect for Mr. Cameraman.
Yeah. So no really easy way to do this. They got this all glued on here. You can see where somebody's repaired it once and has some more glue put on over here. All we're doing is basically taping it off. We're gonna break them off, get them off here, because we got some new backsplash we're gonna add on here, and I think you guys are really gonna like. you guys think? White grout, black grout. Either one, it's in the counter. We got some black in the counter. Plus we got some, pretty much the whole counter's white. So let us know what you guys think. Black grout or white grout. We're gonna let this head here for a little bit. We gotta get a couple more supplies to finalize some of this, to go around the windows and everything to make it look really nice. And then we'll be ready for some grout. So let us know down in the comments down below.
Got that on video.
Turn the faucet on, make sure it's... Okay, got that all done. I just gotta take this clip off here.
You need another towel.
So check this out. We went with a industrial style faucet, and I think this is gonna look hot because we're gonna do the brushed gold or brushed brass. I'm not sure which one yet, but they both look pretty close, and we're gonna do the knobs and everything to accent this throughout the coach. And I see this on more and more coaches where people are going this way, so let's get this installed. Okay, super simple. She's got this all cleaned up. 2 hoses connections go right down. And it's gonna hook up just like that, and we're gonna go up underneath. Oh man, it's gonna look hot. And we got this another connection here. We got a washer, a rubber grommet, and the nut that goes underneath here. Once we feed all this up, it tightens everything down, makes it look really nice. And I think we can pretty much put this however we want. So we're gonna want this on the side, right? Like that?
Please.
Okay. So let's get down here and let's hook this all up. And just basically the blue on here goes to the blue, and then the red goes to the red. If you guys are interested in this is right on Amazon. It was actually really cheap compared to some of the other ones we saw. We're gonna test it out, see how well it works. Hopefully, fingers crossed, because it's cheap, it's not gonna fail on us and cause water damage everywhere, but we'll see. So, lots done this weekend. Super impressed with how much we got done. We're gonna do a quick walkthrough for the area to show you guys what we've got done and where we're going with this. So, as you guys see, we just finished up the faucet. We have the tile going up for the backsplash, and Jessica's been working on the painting of the cabinets.
Except we have to redo the top of the cabinets. The top of these.
She wants them perfect, which I don't blame her. I wanted to look good, nice too. So she wants to basically make sure that it's all good. And there's a couple spots on there that kind of has some drip marks and a little bit thicker. We're dealing with oil-based paint, so yeah. And also, check it out. Cabinet that was right here is gone. Table that was right here is gone. Got that all stripped out, ready to go. We're going to begin the Murphy Bio style bunk beds. And we're going to get the TV lift entertainment system all built. So make sure you guys stay tuned next week. We got lots coming. And if you guys haven't subscribed, make sure you guys subscribe, because we got some really cool stuff going on over here and don't want you guys to miss it. So make sure you guys hit that notification bell. See you next week. Peace.